Hello, today a quick tutorial how to install Python on Windows 11. With the python -- version command, you can check what version of Python you have. As you can see, I don't have a Python on this computer. Go to your browser, type download Python and select the first page. Make sure you are definitely on the python.org site. Below you can choose older version of Python, but I will install the latest one. Press the download button and after downloading, run. Press add your path and choose custom installation. Here select everything and choose the path. I recommended leaving the default one. Here press disable. Okay, so Python should be running now. I check in command prompt if Python is on board. So that's it. After installation you can run the shell and check if everything's work fine. Yep, it works. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.